Hello there, welcome to 1388 Golden Gate Avenue. We are right above a veterinary hospital, so this is pretty much a very quiet place. A lot of fantastic details, beautiful hardwood floors. These look fantastic. Everything has been newly repainted. This is your great room here. Nice big huge living room. Radiators. We've got doors that close and a closet, so this could potentially be used as a bedroom as well. Take a nice little walk into the living room, dining room, whichever you would like to do. Again, really good sized room here. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings, lots and lots of light. And we've got our radiators. We'll go on into the bedroom. Nice about a space here. New blinds as well. Very well lit room as well. We'll take a little bit of a peek into the kitchen. This kitchen is beautiful and huge. Nice new cabinets in here. We've got stainless steel sink. We've got a new gas burning stove, and look at the size of that refrigerator. There is definitely enough room in here to have a nice big kitchen table as well. The doors lead one down to the hallway, down to the front door, and the other one leads into that dining room. We're going to take a little peek outside. There's a small deck. Enough room for a picnic table, some chairs, lots of plants. So we've got a little bit of space back here. And then we've got some interesting buildings around. You're also really close to the police station, so that should also make everybody feel good. So we'll go and take a little walk back through. Hop on into the kitchen. This is going to be a fantastic place to cook. You've got everything you need in here. And then we've got your dining room here. You can also close off these doors. Come back into the great room or the other bedroom, whichever you prefer. Tons and tons of light and space. So I just wanted to say thank you for coming and joining us here at 1388 Golden Gate, and we hope to show it to you soon in person. Bye, thanks.